every qualified craftsman installs switches and sockets. 90% of the installations are conventional, but to make a building intelligent, secure, and energy efficient, it needs to be networked. To make this simple and cost-effective, Jung has developed a system that changes the rules. Jung Home consists of system inserts, system attachments, and sockets that smartly and securely network your home without a server or internet connection. For the craftsman, that means no new installation process has to be learned. The system attachments are planned and installed as usual with conventional cabling. The covers are mounted as normal. The installation is no more complex than a conventional installation, and your home is already smart. The Jung Home system is based on the Bluetooth mesh wireless standard. In contrast to Bluetooth, where only one device can be controlled, Bluetooth mesh allows all devices in the building to be securely networked at the same time. Jung Home is the professional answer to the question, how can existing buildings with installed wiring and installations be smartified? And naturally, Jung Home is also suitable for new builds. This is how the system works. The system insert switches the load with the conventional installation. Light is switched or dimmed. For example, blinds are moved or the temperature is adjusted. Now the Jung Home cover comes into play. This is attached mechanically like an LB management attachment, but it can now be networked using Bluetooth mesh. For commissioning, you just need a smartphone with the Jung Home app. No internet, no server. The Jung Home system works locally. Using the app, you can pair all devices with a smartphone and allocate them to different rooms and consumers. And with that, you already have a smart home system. You can give the owner the project as a file, and they can then simply import it into their app. And that way, your customer can control their intelligent home directly using a smartphone. Security is always the top priority at Jung, and that also applies to Jung Home. The most important security features are the 128-bit AES data encryption, the same as banks use, and authentication. That means that all messages in a Bluetooth mesh network are encrypted and authenticated. The owner's data remain completely secure as the data never even enter the internet in the first place. The entire data remain on your smartphone and within your own four walls. But Jung Home is not only secure, it is also fast and simple. Let's move on to what the customer can do with it. The smart socket can be switched using the push button, the app, or using the control on the socket itself. It measures energy consumption and has many other features, such as an astro function and switching times. With the smart push button, there are two types of installation, wired and wireless. Using the smart push button as the attachment for the flush-mounted installation, depending on the system insert, the light can, for example, be switched or dimmed, or also the blinds can be moved. This works with up to 4 functions per push button. Jung Home offers 2 movement detectors for installation heights of 1.1 and 2.2 meters. Alongside the normal functions, the smart automatic switches offer 16 adjustable time programs. The smart presence detector for ceiling mounting works with a large detection range. The smart room thermostat is suitable for everything, from one-room heating control to a networked smart home system. With the temperature drop detection, for example, an open window is detected and the heating is efficiently reduced after 30 seconds. With the Jung Home app, this means every room or the whole house can be controlled energy efficiently. Using the smart switch actuator with binary inputs, applications can be integrated and consumers can be switched. That way, the Jung Home system is opened up for many extra possibilities, such as integrating weather sensors to trigger a wind alarm for the blinds or the awnings. In the process, The actuator and the two binary inputs in the device can be operated independently from each other. Using the Jung Home app, all devices can be operated, commissioned, configured, and updated. It controls all devices over Bluetooth mesh. That means that not even using the app requires an internet connection. The app is available in the App Store for Android and iOS. With a gateway, voice control is possible. The gateway connects Jung Home with the internet and makes it possible to use Alexa and Google Assistant voice services. The room reacts to voice commands. It can even be controlled remotely using Google Assistant. That is especially convenient, for example, for opening the garage door. The Jung Home Gateway also opens the door to the IoT world with Mediola. Mediola is a leading technology company in the IoT and smart home market segment in Europe and specializes in the development of standard and brand-independent networking, control, and automation of devices. Using the connection to a Mediola gateway, Jung offers end customers the possibility to connect to and control smart products with the Jung Home system via 150 manufacturers. In addition, Jung Home is compatible with Samsung SmartThings. Jung Home makes your home future-ready, flexible, and modern. Join us on our path to digitalizing your home with Jung Home.